Hi, we just bought a brand new dishwasher. This is a Bosch dishwasher. We were told that this was the ADA model, and when we asked what made it the ADA model, they said it's because it has tactile buttons. So the button panel here is a round button on the far left, 6 square buttons, a little screen, 6 more square buttons, and then another round button at the other end. There is no markers on these buttons for me to know what they do. I have no idea what they do. I never use any of the square ones whatsoever. Occasionally I will hit the round button on the left, which is power, and then start on the far right. And I have about a 25 to 50% chance that that actually gets the dishwasher running. Mostly I actually use the app to run this because that's the only way I can be sure that I actually turned the dishwasher on. Let's take a look inside now. So Bosch and Miele both have what they call a third shelf, and this third shelf is amazing. It is a silverware rack, and it's something that you put the silverware across the top, the cutlery, the knives, the thin skinny things. For example, I have a knife sitting here and it's just slotted in really nicely. It sits in nicely, so it's secure. It doesn't poke up, it doesn't poke down, and it's really good. Bosch and Miele both have this third shelf. Then this is called a three rack unit, so this is your standard upper rack. This rack is adjustable in 2 different ways. It's got little racks that can lay down or stand up. I find that these things break very easily. We had a Bosch previous to this that was identical to this, and these little racks just eventually just stop working. The nice thing about this one is the height is adjustable on this rack. So there's 2 little clips at either side of the rack, and you can lift it up or you can lower it down. That's really important for us because this quote ADA unit is much smaller inside, and we have larger plates that we really need to lift this lower rack up. And what we actually end up doing is most of the time lowering it completely on the left and raising it up on the right, because we have tall glasses that go on the side here and then dishes underneath, and that's the only way we can get things to fit. So I'm going to load this thing up and then we're going to go look at the app. So now I'm going to show you the iOS and Android app of the Bosch dishwasher we have. The app, when you're looking for it in the iTunes Store or the App Store or the Google Play, is called Home Connect. So here we go. I've got my iPhone sitting here and I'm just going to hit top of screen with 4-finger tap at the top.
Home, back button.
And it starts with a home back button. Perfect. That's exactly where we want it.
Appliances, heading.
Start with our appliances.
Add appliance, button. Notification center, button. Ring go off. Double tap to select. Double tap and hold to remove or reorder the appliance.
And so I have a appliance there, and its name is
Selected.
Ringo.
Notification 2 from 2. Hit notification. No connection to the home appliance. Home, back button.
And here's a problem we've had for a while now, is that the app will say it's disconnected several times. It just gave us a notification that said connection to the appliance is gone. We had an update recently that stopped this on Android. Apparently on iOS it has not stopped.
Appliances, heading. Add appliance, button. Notification center, button. Ring go off. Double tap to select. Double tap and hold to remove or reorder the appliance.
So there we have Ringo, which is the name of the dishwasher, and it says it's off.
Quick actions. Power status off, button.
And it says power status off. So I'm just going to double tap that.
Selected. Power status on.
And it changed it to on. A really quick, easy fix. I do not have to hit anything on the dishwasher to make this happen. However, I would make sure you have the most up-to-date app, because we did have a problem with this with the version of the app when we first got the device.
Quick actions. Selected. Power status on. Childproof lock off, button.
Childproof lock off is that will allow you to lock the button so children can't hit things randomly on the device itself.
Tablet 0, button.
And this app, of course, is wanting you to buy into their ecosystem, so they want you to buy the tablets from them.
Recommended. My schedule.
And now it's asking you to set up a schedule.
Run your appliance based on your preferred cleaning schedule. Advanced.
And then we have an advanced setting.
Selected. Control.
And then we have control.
Smart cycle. User manuals. Smart cycle.
So I am going to go into smart cycle.
Selected. Appliances. Back button. Notification center. Tab bar. Selected. Home. Recipes. Tab. 2 of 4.
And go again back to the top because focus did not go to the top automatically.
Appliances. Back. Smart cycle. Head. Notification center. Button. Welcome. Smart cycle is a new way to customize your cycle. Achieve optimal results according to your specific needs. Web dialog. Welcome. Heading level 2. Smart cycle is a new way to customize your cycle. Bullet. Heading level 2. List start. Welcome. Welcome. Notification center. Smart cycle. Welcome. Smart cycle is a new way to customize your cycle. Achieve optimal results according to your specific needs. Heading level 2.
This is really repetitive, but it's all clear. It's all there.
Bullet. Heading level 2. Easily create customized programs. Heading. Bullet. Heading level 2. Always choose the right settings. Heading level. Bullet. Heading level 2. Get the most out of your dishwasher. Heading level 2. List
And
end.
since this is the first time I've done it on this device, it's going to bring me through all these little tutorials.
Welcome. Smart cycle isn't. Don't show again. Button.
I'm going to click that.
Tab bar. Welcome. Smart. Tab bar. Selected. Home. Tab. Recipes. Tab. Got it. Button. Get the most out of your dishwasher. Welcome. Smart cycle is a new. Don't show again. Button. Don't show again. Large utensils. Checkbox. Unchecked. Double tap to toggle setting.
So now this is letting me go through and literally tell it everything about what's in the machine and what I want to use and so forth. So this is all very accessible. I have not found anything in this Bosch app that doesn't actually work. The tricky part is getting it connected to your Wi-Fi. If you're getting a machine, you're obviously going to have it delivered. Be sure that the delivery person can install it onto your Wi-Fi for you. So check with your appliance store and ask them ahead of time to do if they can actually do the connection to your Wi-Fi. If not, have somebody sited there to help you do this. It is a little tricky, and like I said, at first we had problems keeping it connected, but now that we have the updated app, it actually seems to be connected much better. I think it was an actual firmware update on the device. So the Android app is equivalent to this, so I'm not going to show that again today.
Baby bottles.
So a bunch of stuff that you can select for it to go through. I'm just going to go back out of this.
Selected. Smart cycle. User manuals. Selected. Control.
And I'm just going to hit the control button.
Ringo. Programs. Auto. Options. Options. Programs. Auto.
And it has the auto program there, and that's the one that detects the dirt on the dishes and will clean until it's ready. So I'm just going to click auto.
Options. Options. Programs. Auto. Auto. Sensor controlled. For normally soiled dishes.
There you go. Sensor controlled for normally soiled dishes.
Water. 0. Energy. 0. Heavy. Auto. Normal. Delicate. Normal. Auto.
I'm clicking auto again.
Normal. Delicate. Express. Rinse.
So it would be nice to know that auto was already selected, but it did not. Tell me
Machine
that.
care. Next. Button.
I'm going to hit next.
Next. Tab bar. Selected. Home. Tab. 1. Control. Back button. Options. Heading.
Going back to the top, now I've got options.
Notification center. Button. Water. 0.74.
And you're going to notice that everything is got the notifications at the top.
Energy. 0. Crystal dry. On. Half load. Off.
Now, the nice thing about this machine is it has something called Crystal Dry. There is a little container at the back of the device that retains water for you, so it helps keep your dishes extra dry. We find it works really well, so we use it.
Sanitize. Off. Next. Button.
And this is making me go through and reset auto. This is the part I don't like, is I have to choose this stuff every time.
Sanitize. Off. Sanitize. On. Half load. Off. Crystal dry. On.
Crystal Dry is on, Sanitize is on.
Energy. 0.8. Water. 0.74. Sanitize. Extended increased temperature cycle for even more hygienic cleaning.
There we go.
Water. Energy. Crystal. Half. Next. Button.
Hit the next
Done.
button.
Tab bar. Selected. Home. Tab. Recipes. Tab. 2 of 4. Control. Back button. Start time. Heading. Notification center. Button. Determine when the operation should start.
And this is as if it was setting up a schedule, but I'm just going to have it do immediately, so it's going to do the next minute.
Adjust value. Done. Button.
I'm going to hit done.
Tab bar. Adjust value. Done. Button. Ringo. Programs. Auto. Options. Options. Start time. 10:49 at start. Button.
And now it shows the auto, it shows the start time. You can see what time I'm doing this in the morning.
Tab bar. Start. Button. Start.
I'm just hitting start.
Start time. Set auto sanitize remaining time. 3 hours, 10 minutes, and 0 seconds. Auto pre-rinsing sanitize remaining time. 3 hours, 10 minutes, and 0 seconds.
And you'll see that it's giving us the remaining time, so the machine is ready to go. This is a very long cycle. I wish it wasn't so long, but if you want to get your dishes clean, you've got to have this long cycle. All right, I'll come back and show you what the notifications look like. So I'm going to show you the notifications for the dishwasher now that it's completed.
Show notifications. Home Connect. Notification Center. Clear. Notification. Home Connect. Grouped. Sun 9:25 p.m. Sanitized. Ringo. Program has finished and sanitization requirements are met. Button.
So
Activate to expand.
and then I'm going to expand
Home
that.
Connect. Sun 9:25. Home Connect. Flashlight. Off. Camera. Camera. Button. Home Connect. Sun 9:25 p.m. Program complete. Ringo. The program is complete. Button.
So you'll see there's a single notification that says the program is complete. Then there's this other one.
Home Connect. Sun 9:25 p.m. Sanitized. Ringo. Program has finished and sanitization requirements are met. Button.
And that one says program is complete and sanitization requirements have been met. What that means is I ran the automatic program with the sanitization mode on. So it has not only done a wash cycle, but it also completed an extra hot sanitization cycle. So good notifications. The phone alerts me when the machine is done. However, the washing machine itself does not alert me. So in summary, the app is excellent both on Android and iOS for this washing machine. I would highly recommend that Bosch app if you're going to be using a dishwasher. I would not buy the ADA unit, but I would try and find a model that has hardware buttons and not touch buttons or capacitive buttons. That's getting harder and harder to do, so good luck with that. No need to buy the ADA model unless you do need counter height adjustments and you need it to be a slightly smaller unit. But overall, the machine does a good job of washing and the accessibility in the app is superior. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you liked or if you didn't like it. Leave us a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon on another episode.